Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Drip Served, where the drip is always being served. So today we did a custom Jordan 1 mids, my size. I decided to just get a Jordan and like do something crazy to it. So apart from that, I did color changing. Originally I wanted to do red to pink, but then I have a fit, so I decided to do blue. Technically it's supposed to be sky blue to blue, and it's white to blue, but hey, it's still the same effect. I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. The videos I saw, they made it seem like we needed airbrush to do this, and no, you don't. Yeah, I was fucking up the first time. I was just like mad because masking takes forever. Sorry. Kudos to those people that actually do airbrush. And then on top of that, my airbrush set is just like not even working. So I was getting tight off that, and I was just like, yo, alright, the second shoe, I mean, I'm going to try airbrushing again, but it just wasn't working. So I decided to hand paint. And if you do decide to brush, yo, it's going to create the same effect. So I decided to do that, and I felt like that's what I should have went with. I should have went with my gut, because now the masking, me doing masking, paint got over my trim that I had on the sneaker, and I was like, wow, how am I gonna take this off? So what I'm showing you right now is a progressive shot of it, because I'm not done with it. I still have to like scrape off some paint, but I would like to show you guys that. So let's get into showing it. Okay, so I literally took it off the fridge, like my shoes were in the freezer, because my room's hot. So this is how it looks like in cold temperature. See, I did butterflies on this one and then butterflies on this one. I don't know, I wanted to keep it simple this time. I really was more into the effect of it just changing colors. So I mean, it's kind of is already changing colors because the corners is darker, but I'm going to heat it up. So I'm just gonna take one shoe and like heat it up, and y'all gonna see it like a change. So this is hot. You see? So now the shoe is white. A little blue, but it's white mainly. I like how the things disappear with it, especially the white flowers that I added. I wanted to keep this blue and this blue. I would have thought about adding the color changing effect to it as well, but I want it to be different. Like, I don't want it to just be all white. Like, I like the contrast it has. And then you see how this is white, and then we have the back is still blue. So we're just gonna heat that one up. So this is how it would look when it's hot, like outside, and you decide to wear it. And this is how it will look when it's cold. Hey, that's crazy. And it's crazy because I have a stem for the butterflies here, and the stem just disappears, and the butterflies just fly away. I didn't even think about that, but I saw it when I put the heat. But yeah, let's see this one. I like when it turns baby blue. Like, wait a little bit more. Like when it's like this color, baby bluish color, it looks cute. And then we got the dark color, but this baby blue. But yeah, this is it for the video. This shoe also, I forgot the effect. It's called translucent. The trims are translucent, so when there is flash, the trims are colorful. And I'm gonna show you that in another video that I'm gonna take with my iPhone, because I am using a camera and it doesn't have flash at the moment. But yeah, so subscribe to my channel, like, comment, tell me things you guys want to see as well. Follow me on the gram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on TikTok, follow me on my sneaker page, Dripserved. Like, all my content is there as well. That's all I'm gonna say. Have a nice day and stay serving that drip.